So today, I will show you how to edit references in Mendeley. First, double-click on the reference you want to edit. This will open the PDF of the research paper. Once the PDF is open, look at the window on the right side of the screen. This is where you can add and edit the reference information. From here, you can manually update details like the title, authors, year, or other missing fields. If you notice that more details are missing, copy the title of the research paper. Open a new tab, paste the title into the search bar, and search for it online. Open the correct link and copy the needed information, such as the DOI link. Go back to Mendeley, scroll down in the right panel, and paste the information into the correct field. After that, click the Search or Update button, and Mendeley will automatically update the reference. And that's it. That's how you edit references in Mendeley.